India is on the path to becoming a global manufacturing powerhouse, and young entrepreneurs like Anand Mulay are leading the charge. At Renuka Tools, he is turning PM Modi's vision into reality.
In 2013, when I entered and took over the business, my vision was very clear that I would want to make Renuka Tools the #1 preferred indexable cutting tool company in India.
Renuka Tools is proving that with the right technology and precision, Indian manufacturers can compete globally.
We have differentiated ourselves from competition by having those innovative products which were till date not manufactured in India, or maybe manufactured to a limited extent.
He ensures everyone is part of the company's success story. Anand Mulay believes quality is key.
Whatever you do, if you have the passion towards it, just try to excel in that domain. Don't be a mediocre, because mediocrity would not help you. That is how even I am pursuing my business, and this is the vision that I have. I think if all the young aspiring engineers and entrepreneurs follow this piece of advice, I am 100% sure that tomorrow's India is going to be much better than what today's India is.